So if you've watched a few of my videos, you've probably seen I have the same description in every single video. Why do I do that? Well, because SEO doesn't matter that much, but I also want to make sure people are clicking on my links, whatever links I'm putting into my description. And I'm not actually copy-pasting that every time. I'm not going copy-paste, copy-paste, copy-paste. I'm setting what's called an upload default. So today, I'm going to show you how to do that yourself. This is an incredibly quick video. We're going to throw open a screen share, and boom, 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 boom. How did I get here? Well, I signed into YouTube, obviously. I clicked on my little profile button. I switched the account to, my main YouTube channel. I'm now in YouTube Studio. So we're looking at YouTube Studio. We're going to our settings. Our settings are on the bottom left. We're going to click on those, and then we're going to go down to upload defaults. So what does this page do? Essentially, whatever you type in here, whenever you upload a video, that's what your video is going to say. So if I were to actually type in like, hello, as the title, every single video I upload, the title would default to the word hello. Because descriptions don't have the world's biggest impact, I usually just put information here for like new subscribers or new viewers that might be interested in learning more about me and what I do. So I have a description here that, just tells people about me and my background. And then I also include some links. So if people want to talk to me, one-on-one or have a one-on-one conversation with me or connect with me professionally, they can do that. And so rather than having to copy paste this into every single video, this is now the default setting for every video that gets uploaded. So every video I upload is going to have this description. I really don't recommend this. I would just leave your visibility blank because the default is set to private. In general, it's a really bad idea to have a public default setting or an unlisted. I'm a big believer in private. And then tags. Tags really don't matter, but if you want to have all the bells and whistles just so you can feel safe and secure, I literally use the same tags across all of my videos on the channel, and I put them in the upload default settings so I don't have to type these in every time. So hopefully these settings are helpful for you. I highly recommend doing this if you haven't done it already. And then while we're here, I'll give you some little bonus pro tips, which is your channel level settings. So these are not public. These are private. Nobody gets to see these but you. Essentially, you set your country of residence, which means YouTube is going to recommend your content to whatever country you're residing in first. So setting your country of residence, excuse me, is really important. And then keywords. Channel level keywords are really important. So, you can see these are all the things that I think someone would search if they were looking for a particular channel. There's no real rhyme or reason to this, just whatever words you think make the most sense. If you want to brainstorm with ChatGPT on keywords, ChatGPT can definitely be helpful. And then, in general, you want to say, no, this channel is not made for kids. That's really important. If you set your channel as made for kids, you're probably not going to monetize as well. But if you are making Peppa Pig content or, kids content, Cocomelon, all that stuff, then obviously you want to set it as, yes, this channel has content made for kids, or this channel is made for kids, because you'll get more views that way. So just remember, if you want to monetize better, you always want to say no. And if your content's actually made for kids, well then, yeah, you want to say yes. You're not going to monetize as well, but you're going to get a lot more views. And you're going to get a lot more views from your target audience, which is kids, no doubt. But again, upload defaults, anything else, advanced settings. I never touch these, but if you want to set your category that's going to help you index, there's a bunch of different categories, whatever you think you fit with the most. You can actually set this at a per video level, which is why I prefer to do it in the upload defaults. Is there anything else? Not really. I've never set a title and description language. Yeah, hold comments for review. I'm a big believer in that. Show how many viewers like this video. Yeah, I think that's about it. I hope this was helpful. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, please hit it, and I'll catch y'all later. Bye.